Cosmetic wheel repair. Winston, have you ever scraped a wheel on a curb, maybe in a fast food drive-through or a bank drive-through or parallel parking?
Yes.
Okay, when you scraped that wheel, did you look into how much it would cost to get it fixed?
No.
Most people don't. It's going to be somewhere between $125 and $225, depending on how deep the gouges are. However, even though you didn't pay to have those wheels fixed, you ended up paying for those wheels anyway. You know how?
How?
When you trade your vehicle in, someone's going to look at the wheels and they're going to deduct from the value of your vehicle the total cost of the repairs, okay? So even though you don't pay to have them fixed, you end up paying for them anyway. Here's what we're going to do for you. We're going to provide you 1 year of cosmetic wheel repair, complimentary, all right? During the next year, we hope you don't scrape any wheels, but if you scrape a bunch of wheels, we're going to fix all those for you at no cost to you. It's going to keep your vehicle looking better, it's going to keep money in your pocket, and most importantly, it's going to increase your resale value. And by the way, if you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than a year, we've got 3 and 5 year options we'll go over later on, okay? You see, there's a formula here, okay? It's really simple. And by the way, everything I'm saying, I've got, I think, word for word in your books too,